1963 Willys Jeep CJ5 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2.2 liter Willys Hurricane inline 4-cylinder powering it. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, of course, 4-wheel drive capabilities in high and low. The body's actually been off the frame during the restoration of this. So it has a new frame installed underneath it, as well as front end components and steering components. And you'll be able to see just the frame with the body off in the still pictures. And I'll tell you where to check those out in just a bit. New carbon fuel pump. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front end on this one. Now, as you can see, we have the receiver down here, and it's also going to come with, you take a peek over along the wall, it does have the tow bar that's going to come with it if you needed to flat tow this at all. And you also see it's going to come with the soft top, as well as door panels, the side windows for the rear sides, and then the rear window, miscellaneous folder with receipts, paperwork, information that will go along with it, and a few miscellaneous parts. A belt, looks like another carb, receiver hitch and ball. So that will all go along with this, and you're going to be able to see that in the still pictures also. All right, so those still pictures I'm talking about, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, steel wheels. Firestone radial tires, those are date coded 2017, great shape. Once again, all steel, tub, hood, fenders. Vinyl interior, kind of yellow, blue, black, tritone. I guess it's maybe more dark blue to black. And here you can see your levers for high and low, one for overdrive, and of course the 3-speed manual transmission. We will start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end, Jason will take this one for a drive also. Show you how it goes down the road. Fun summer vehicles, no doubt about that. This is a smooth runner too. All right, a few notes from the technician that looked at this one. No shakes or vibration. Brakes are 90% in the front as well as the rear. Plugs, points, cap, and rotor just clean. It's running smooth, and like I said, new carbon fuel pump. If you like Jeeps, really if you like any older classic vehicle, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. You can see seat belts, the rear seat there. All right, let me slip into this. Let's go ahead and start it up. Blinkers have been installed and switch on the steering column, as you can see here. Always fuel gauge and temp gauge with the speedometer. Like I said, it runs smooth, pops right off. We are in neutral. Be a good look at the dash. Pretty simple on these. Listen to how smooth this is. And quiet. All right, let me slip up to the front here. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get this hood unlatched. Get the hood propped open, check out that engine bay, and then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, hood propped open. Yes, that hood prop stays with me. There it is, the 4-cylinder. Hurricane. .2 liter. There's a battery disconnect over here for when it's in storage or in between drives. I don't know if you'll find one that runs much smoother. Wow. Looks like battery was installed in 24. Be a fun summer vehicle. 1963, all steel Jeep CJ5, Willys Jeep CJ5. Take a look through those still pictures. Like I said, you're going to see just the frame with the body off it. You'll see the Jeep from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on that link down below the video in the description. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're taking you for a ride in a 63 Jeep CJ. As you can tell, it's the open experience. So you are strapped to a roll bar right now. And we'll just do a little drive and let you know how it feels. It is a nice running Jeep. We don't even have oversized tires. Speedometer's working. The temperature gauge just coming up off of cold. Fuel gauge is almost full. I'll do a little talking before I build up speed, because you might not be able to hear me then. 3-speed manual. The layout right there, easy to engage and use. Clutch feels really good. We've also got an overdrive lever down here. And now we're in 30. Turn signal, an aftermarket turn signal mounted to the column. Rubber floor mats, awesome stripe design, really a throwback look on this Jeep. As you can hear, it almost sounds stock. And the clutch feels great, the gears feel great. It is a nice running Jeep. Little bit tink noise you're hearing is the handle right there. Also pretty quiet. Brakes feel great. Handles easily when you do have a John Deere suicide knob right here to make it easier to steer. Really fun Jeep. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.